Okay, so hello everybody and welcome to this course of learning how to create a website. So actually this course will contain 5 parts. So for these parts will be, not 5 parts, let's say something. This course will contain maybe, not a part for each language, a course for each language. There will be 4 courses. Each course will contain parts of the language and parts will contain lessons. That's it. So for this part we will reserve it to web development basic languages, which are HTML and CSS. So these these languages are actually the basics of a website. So a website can't be created without these languages. So we're gonna firstly, if you remember in the first part of web development, I actually give you the languages, each language. So we're gonna see if I have this file. I think this is it. So size 0 bits. So it's impossible that it could be it because it's actually clean. Yes. So dev web 2. Let me see. No, this. Dev web part 3, web dev English 2 basic. Alright, so here this is it. So actually these are the 2 languages we're gonna learn today, which we're gonna learn in this course, which are HTML and CSS. And then we're gonna learn PHP to create a little advanced website, and then JavaScript to and jQuery to so much advanced websites. So then we're gonna create there would be some quizzes, and so there in the file after each part there would be some quizzes. So firstly I just wanted to firstly we're gonna see the role of the navigator. Alright, so let's not do that firstly. Alright, so firstly we're gonna understand what is web development. So web development is not the real web development is not known by most of people. So people told you that you can create a game that executes on Windows and which requires internet connection. It's web development. So actually it's so wrong. Web development is actually creating something, a website or a game that requires a web navigator and web and internet access to be executed. So we're gonna see some websites which contains PHP code and executable scripts. So we're gonna go to a famous website which is YouTube. So this website contains so much script and so much code. So we're gonna go to YouTube, and everybody knows YouTube actually. So YouTube contains so much scripts. We will just see some scripts. So there's the upload script, which when we click on upload, it takes you to the page, and here there's a script. When you just select your file, it uploads it to the net. So there's actually the connection script, which is allows you to switch between your accounts, and there's a script that detects your music, your favorite music, and puts it in your playlist. So there's, as you see, there's here actually I like squirrels. Here's its videos, and I always watch these music. So just like Zero Card motivation music, or She Doesn't Mind, Somebody to You, Me and My Broken Heart. So this is actually some music that and here's T-Boy Shape. So I follow T-Boy Shape so much, so it puts it in my favorites. So these are actually the most video I've seen, and it's my favorite videos. So this is for YouTube. So if you want to take a look at the code, here's the code. And for the code, we're gonna try to understand the role of the navigator to the website. So actually this is so bad. You want to really guys understand it, it's so hard. You have to be very experimental to understand this code. It contains, oh my god, 80,864 lines of code for only this page, for only the index.php page. Only this page contains 80,000 18,000 lines of code. It's incredible. I mean, you can imagine how much it requires time. It's not for one day or a week, it's for a year maybe, guys. For coding you have to be very experimented, so this, guys, is so hard to understand. So we're gonna go to Wikipedia, which has simple code. So we're gonna go to Wikipedia and see its code and try to actually, I hate create this account and create it. So I'm gonna connect to my favorite account, which is here and had it, and to go to Wikipedia. So here we will close that because we don't need it and it's so hard to understand it. So, oh my god, what's my, oh yeah, alright, so I'm gonna English, and I'm gonna go show the core source of the page, and here it is. So guys, this is a simple code actually of Wikipedia. So here we're gonna see the role of the navigator to the website. So actually the navigator translates this code to this. This is actually a language. This language allows us to talk to the navigator, just like I talk to you using the English language. The website talks to the navigator using PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS languages. So this is actually HTML, CSS, and PHP, I think, because no, not PHP. It's no, we need PHP because there's a create account and login. So there's, remember, aria here. Alright, so guys, so this is actually the CSS is included in HTML. You may be wondering how did I knew that. Or so here you see there's TD style. So here he put it, the style with the TD. With the TD tag, even here table style, yes, there is a style. So actually the CSS is included in here. So this is for Wikipedia, and so, and this is actually for the navigator and the code. So the code actually translates this, the navigator translates this to this thing, which is impossible to understand for some people, to this. This is visible. This is so much visible, and we can understand this more than we understand it, because if you don't create the code by yourself, you can't understand it. I really have tried to create a long website, just this this is a website I'm creating it, and I can't tell you what is it because I wanted just to keep it, I want to keep it secret. But actually I'm going to show you the code, and it's actually created with Bootstrap, but I can understand the code because I've got so there's 254 lines for the index.html page. So, and I'm gonna do like that because I'm gonna work with that. So I'm gonna open the file and going to this one, so I'm gonna save. Anyway, so guys, this is for the navigator. So there's so many navigators, which like Edge for Windows 10. It's and you can download it for other Windows. There's I think I saw once there was a tip to download it for other system. Well, as you see, it's cooler than Internet Explorer because nobody used that, and Microsoft did this was the best thing ever done by Microsoft. I mean, this is the best navigator created by Microsoft, and it doesn't takes much power as Google Chrome, because Microsoft did a test on battery life. Battery life test between Opera and Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, and they found that Google Chrome takes more power than the others. But I mean, Google Chrome says, even with that, Google Chrome says the best navigator and the most used navigator. Alright, so anyway, now we're gonna try to understand the differences between HTML and CSS. So let's here I created an index.html file, which is, as you see, it's clean, and I'm going to create to code some HTML. So I'm not going to make you understand, guys, that because this is not our this is not the part for that. So the next part will be for that. So guys, don't type HTML, and I'm going to HTML. Yeah guys, so this is, now I'm going to close the HTML tag. Here I'm creating the heat tag, let align clean, and creating the body tag and closing the body tag. So here I'm putting a title. I'm gonna put course site. So I'm gonna close the title tag, and I'm going to put media corset equals UTF-8, and I'm closing the tag. And for the body, I'm going to put an H1, which will contain the title of the website, which is course site. Guys, I'm closing the H1. I'm entering an H3, which will contain this is the test of HTML and CSS for the first lesson. So I'm going to put that, and here I'm closing the H3. And I'm going to put a P tag, which is the paragraph, and for the paragraph I'm going to put anything just like hello guys, and welcome to this course. You are, let's say, by the end of this course you be able to create your website, So anyway guys, this is for the P, and I'm going to save it and run it. So I saved the file in my documents, so I'm going to start this, and let's see what we get. Alright, so we're gonna open our code and take a look. So guys, let's start by the title. So you see I put the title of my website is course site, so it's visible here and here. But guys, this one is for this one, but this H1 is for this. The H3, guys, this is the best of HTML and CSS. This is the test, excuse me, guys, of HTML and CSS for the first lesson. Here is it. As you see, the H1 is the title one, so it should be the biggest title. The H3 is the title 3. It should be the there's even H5. So I will put an H5 to see how it is. Or you know what, guys, I'm going to put H5. So anyway, I'm going to put anything. So I'm gonna I'm going to put my channel name. I'm going to close the H5. I'm going, guys, also to put an H4, and I'm going to put my channel name too. I'm going to close the H4, just guys to see for you guys to see the difference between the titles. So I'm going to put an H2 here, and I'm going to put my channel name here, headed TV, and I'm going to close the H2 and save and reload on my navigator to see. So guys, you see, guys, here, alright, let's or to understand just more the difference, let's put the same thing on all this, guys. So I'm going to select this together. So guys, one more good thing on Sublime Text, which you can select multiple text together and paste the same thing on them. So you see, guys, it's quite cool. So I'm going to reload the page, and you see here it's going smaller and smaller as long as we go. So there's from H1 to H5. So you see H1 course set is bigger, H2 is a little bit smaller, H3 is smaller, a little bit smaller, even H4 and H5 is so much smaller than the other things. So guys, for the P is actually by default it's on 14 pixel size, and it's with it's a black color, and it don't have it's not bold. So all the H are bold, but the P is not. So guys, this is actually the HTML. So on the HTML I can even insert a picture, you know, guys. So I'm going to put a picture in my documents. I'm going to go to my desk and see I will choose like this Microsoft logo, guys. So I'm going to put this Microsoft logo, and I'm going here to insert this picture. So to insert a picture we need the image tag. So image src equals Microsoft.png, guys. So I'm going to close that and save, go back to my website, reload. You see there's the Microsoft logo. I will also, guys, insert a video coming from YouTube. So this is, I'm gonna go to YouTube and we're going to let's choose Just a Dream song. So let's go and we're gonna copy the embed code. Going to copy the embed code and going here to insert the iframe which I have copied right now. So it says alright, so we're gonna click cancel and gonna reload it. So you see here there's actually Just a Dream and here the Microsoft logo. So we're gonna fix all this using the CSS. So the image, I'm going to put it the first thing, so I'm going to cut, and for body I'm going to put it in here. So like this I'm going to have a quite good website. So you see here's the Microsoft logo, car site, and with this video. And I'm going also to put a link. So I'm going here I'm going to put a link after the video which will take me to like Google, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So I'm going to put a link which will take me now to Google. So www. Oh no guys, not here. .google.com, and I'm going to close that with Google. So Google, and I'm going to close the A tag. Also I'm going to put another A which will take me to Facebook. So www.facebook.com, and I'm going to here to Facebook. I'm going to close the A tag and go to another A tag which will take me to Twitter. So www.twitter.com. Also this will take me to Twitter, and I'm going to close the A tag. Also I'm going to Instagram, so Ashraf. So this is actually called Ashraf, and it will take me to Instagram. So www.instagram.com. I actually don't use Instagram so much, and I don't even like it. So I'm going to Instagram, and I'm going to close the A tag. So I'm going to save it, and let's see here how it. Here is my links. It's there after the video. So you see actually guys, we can put a link even with this H1. So I'm going to press a link for you on the H1. So link, it will take me to like I don't know, like to ZonGeek. So www.zongeek.site88.net. So guys, I'm closing that, and I'm going to close the A tag. Also I'm going to put a link on the image on the photo. So href, it will gonna take me also to www.zongeek.site88.net, and close the A tag, and I'm going to close the A tag here, save, and you see guys there will be some links. So as you see each blue and underline, so it means that it's link here. Also it will take me, if I check, yes guys, of course, and alright, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, I understand, I totally understand what's going on. You see it's taking me to this, as it shouldn't take me there, it should take me to the link. Alright, so anyway guys, so this is for the HTML. Now we're going to insert the CSS. So for that we're going to create a new file, and we will save it as stylesheet.css. You can change the name guys, or so if you don't want stylesheet, we're going to call it design.css, and here I'm going to make the relation between HTML and CSS. So guys, I'm going here to put and link role equal style sheet. The type will be equal text CSS, and the href will be equals design dot CSS, and then we'll close the tag here. If we're going to the CSS and we're going to put a background color for the body, so I'm going to open the body tag and put a background color. For the background color, I will choose so purple. I think it's gonna be quite cool. So, and I'm going to reload the page. You see guys, here's the background color, it's purple. So guys, I will even go to change the image, some stuff in the image. So I think it's float. So float, it will be for center. I think it's gonna work. Alright, so let's see. Or so nothing happens because it's an image. So anyway, let me see the alignment. Alright, so it doesn't work. I actually, alright, so anyway, we can put even a margin left. So let's 100 pixels, and let's see where it's going to take me. You see guys, it's moving, and we can even so 1366. Actually, let's go to a calculator, and here is what guys, when somebody told you that you need maths in website. So actually you really need maths, because if you want to use margins, so to put into center, you have to take the width of your scheme, which on mine is 1366, and I'm going to see the half of it, it's 683. Nice, 683 pixels. Going to save it, and let's reload the page. You see it's here, so I'm going to put another margin, which will be on the right. So margin right, and it will be 683 pixels. I think guys, it won't work because we see guys, it won't work because it's the same thing. So anyway guys, this is for the image, and we can even change so many things with CSS. But now guys, I think you understand what's the difference between HTML and CSS. So I'm going to put some other things to the body. So like the font family, I want it to be Oriole, and the text color, text align, you can even put it center. And for the text color, text decoration, we're going to put known, thank you, and I'm going to reload that, and we'll see what's will be going on. You see guys, here's the center. So you see it's exactly what we wanted to have. So you can try it with the image even. So for the image, we're going to put text align, which is center, and we're going to save that, and it's going to work. You see guys, it's aligned to the center. All of the text is aligned to the center. For the alright, so to customize the video, we're going to create a div tag for the video. So actually, this div class equals video, and let's close the div tag. And here guys, there's nothing more, nothing's gonna happen because we haven't customized it. So the dot video tag, and I'm going to put text align center, and so let's see, guys, see it's centered, and the links are under the video. So here's guys our website, align it. I will actually change the background color. I think I will. It's, if you want to go with the scan color, it's really the worst color of a web development. You see, it even hurts eyes, but it's quite good. So guys, anyway, I think that you understand this video. Alright, so we the next video will be uploaded so soon, guys, I promise. And if you don't understand anything, you can contact me, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like it on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.